At Ginebra, Ranadel de Ocampo, Homer C, Steve Thomas, Arwin Santos, Winnie Arboleda on the floor. Para sa Express as Crisano is called for his third personal foul.
Second foul number 43, Alex Crisano. That's his third foul, one on the Gentiles. Two shots to Steve Thomas.
Din ng first team foul laban sa Ginebra, sending Thomas to the line. Thomas really making a living from the line. Yan ang kanyang nagiging opisina sa larong ito.
He's visited the line total of 14 times already, making 12 of them. Very high percentage para dito kay Stephen Thomas. Like we mentioned in the first half, this is a guy that only is averaging 60% in this conference.
Ginebra starts the second half with J.J. Helterbrand, Mark Caguioa, Alex Crisano, Junto Valenzuela, and Chris Alexander, who gets the rebound and is fouled. Pangatlo na to laban kay Steve Thomas.
You know, if you're the coaches, nabanggit na natin, ang daming mga players already in foul trouble. The one guy that you don't want to get in foul trouble are your imports because they are 7 feet or close to 7 feet and you need that inside presence.
Walang pamalit, kumbaga. Arboleda, Homer C, outside, Ranadel de Ocampo. I'm sure itong si Ranadel ay kating-kating makapaglaro dahil matagal itong naupo because of early foul trouble.
Only the first 2 points para kay Ranadel de Ocampo, and he was the missing link in that first half. He's a guy that a lot is expected from mula sa Air 21.
Open shot, J.J. Helterbrand. Bola na punta kay Arwin Santos. Air 21 up by 2, 51-49. Arboleda had a splendid second quarter. Sends it over to Thomas. Thomas, laban kay Crisano. Fires a pass over to C. 10 to shoot para sa Air 21. Over C, a suicide mission. At mukhang siya tatawagan ng offensive foul.
Right here, he didn't want to take that outside shot, wanting to attack. Pero yun, natamaan sa bandang tiyan. Ito si Chris Alexander. And you can see Chris Alexander holding on and trying to recover from that suicide mission.
Oh. Okay ka ba, Chan?